Why must I put this thing over here? Hi people, this is the 14th. Hello man. This is the 14th, the Sunday, 2024, and I'm just going to see how far these bolts turn. The cylinder head bolts on this pickup, because I replaced the gasket on this pickup on the previous video, I think, and I torqued the cylinder head again. This time it's going to be the 5th time, because of the Indian gasket compresses the Elring, the Uniseal, Payen, Victor, Reinz, Ajusa, and some other gaskets make doesn't compress that much, so you can only torque it about 3 times and then you leave it. But now I'm going to do this one the 5th time, because it goes into all the hollows of the cylinder head and block, so that maybe is a good thing. I'm going to set it to the maximum, and the maximum I said is 50 pound-feet. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, pound-feet, foot-pounds, feet-pounds, pound-feet or feet-pound, 60. That's there. So you can make it between. You can start off with, end it with 55 pound-feet. That's about 75 Newton meters. But I might take it up to 80 Newton meters. So let's see what happens if I turn it to 58 pound-feet, make it 56 pound-feet. That's about, you can see, that's about 56 anyway, that's 6. Right there, come on again, just below 60 anyway. Then fall down. Okay. Now first turn with the quarter turn back. Also, so kwart draai terug en dan kom ek kwart draai terug. Let's see if I turn it a quarter turn back and I come again. It stops at the same place. So the 5th time talking it's okay. It always goes a little bit, but you must turn it a quarter turn back or so. Yeah, about quarter turn. Make it a quarter turn back and then talk it over again to the specs, specifications. Going to try this one again. Let's see, it stopped there. Turn it back, then I pull it back this right there. So it didn't come. So it's still at the same place there. Now the wind is blowing here as well. Oh, man. Anyway, this is a short video of the torque of this cylinder head, the Indian gasket. So this is the fifth time, but it didn't move any further than this. So you have to do it 5 times. Drive it a little bit, loosen the bolts one by one, turn them to between, what did I say, 55 and 60 pound-feet, 75 newton meters to 80 newton meters, or so, something like that. Let's go and have a look at the specifications. It's in the paper there. My conversion, it's 80 newton meters, 59 pound-feet. Sorry, it's not 60, it's 59 pound-feet. And 70 newton meters is 51.62 pound-feet. So a 75 pound-feet is halfway between. So between 51 and 59, what can it be? about 55. No, it's about 55 pound-feet. Yeah, 55 pound-feet is 75 newton meters. Okay, so that is the story about this cylinder head, Indian cylinder head gasket torque on it. Bye bye, totsiens. Thanks for viewing. Dankie dat julle na die video gekyk het. Thanks for viewing this video. Until next time, bye bye, totsiens.